Our core is the center of our body. It holds our upper body up, makes movement in our lower body easier, and of course, gives us a flat stomach. Hi guys, this is Riya. Today I'm going to show you a couple of asanas to tighten and engage this core that will help strengthen these muscles. The first pose is Navasana or the boat pose.
Place yourselves on your sit bones and slowly lean back with a slight angle on your back. Lift your legs and bend your knees. Take your hands off the floor and parallel to the ground with fingers stretched out. Keep breathing and stay here for 5 breaths and release.
Navasana really activates your core muscles and holds your upper and lower body only with the help of these central muscles. Now let's get into Utkatasana or the chair pose.
Feet together, bend your knees. Lift the hands up above the head and palms softly touching. Lean the upper body slightly forward, making a zigzag with the body. Keep looking slightly above and breathe, extending the sides of your body. Stay here for 5 to 7 breaths and release.
Utkat means powerful or intense, and the intensity of Utkatasana can be directly felt on the mind and on the core while holding this pose. The breathing takes place from the lungs and the abdomen is engaged throughout. More commonly called the plank, Dvipada Prasaranasana is a pose where your 4 limbs are holding your entire body, but all the work is done by the core.
Come onto your fours and lower the hips so that the head, hips and feet are forming an angular line. The elbows can have a soft bend to avoid any pressure on the wrists. Stay here for 8 to 10 breaths and then relax.
Vasishtha is a challenging asana, more commonly called as the side plank.
Get into the plank position and from it, shift your weight onto the right hand and right leg. Place the left leg on top of the right foot. Lift your left hand off the floor and extend. Look straight or at the hand above, wherever comfortable. Stay here for 5 to 7 breaths and repeat on the other side.
This asana is really important to work on your strength as well as your balance. To help stabilize the posture better, focus on an unmoving point and keep the core engaged throughout. The upward facing leg spread is an amazing asana to work solely on the core while the entire upper body is resting. The contraction is directly felt and the controlled movement of these muscles engages the core throughout.
Lie down on your back with hands extending above the head. Slowly inhale and lift both the feet above. Knees should be straight and the feet shouldn't extend more than a 90 degrees angle. Exhale and release them down. Continue and complete 9 to 10 repetitions and release.
All these asanas might leave you in a sweat, but with consistent practicing and increasing the number of breaths in each one, you'll start seeing results on your core and on your strength. I hope this helps. Until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.